Hey friend, I'm sharing the solutions to my AirPods Pro 3 problem, like the pop-up not showing on screen, that I finally got fixed. First, check and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on your iPhone. Quickly verify it in Control Center. Now, as I'm expecting, your iPhone pop-up should appear when you keep the AirPods near your iPhone with the lid open and both the left and right AirPods inside the charging case. If it doesn't show, lock the phone and unlock it again, then check if the pop-up appears. As you can see, my iPhone is showing the pop-up on screen. Sometimes your AirPods case might not be charged enough or could be completely dead, so it won't detect nearby Bluetooth connections. As you can see, my AirPods Pro 3 charging case is almost at 1%. So, plug it into a wall charger for at least 15 to 30 minutes before using or resetting your AirPods Pro. The fourth solution is very important. If you're facing the issue repeatedly, then reset your AirPods Pro 3 to factory settings because it's probably not connecting successfully. Open the Settings app on iPhone, scroll to Bluetooth, and tap the I button next to your AirPods Pro name. Scroll down to Forget this device and confirm in the pop-up. Now, reset your AirPods Pro 3 by following these steps. Close the lid of the charging case with both AirPods inside. Reopen the lid and keep it open. Now, double tap 3 times on the front of the charging case. You'll see a white flashing light appear. Keep double tapping as shown in the video until you see the amber light flash, then orange. If it doesn't show, try again or watch my separate tutorial linked in the video description for AirPods Pro 3 won't reset or connect. In earlier AirPods Pro 2 models, holding down the back button worked to reset the AirPods using the button on the charging case. Now, keep your AirPods Pro 3 near your iPhone, and you'll see the pop-up appear on the screen. Continue with the options on the pop-up to set up your AirPods Pro 3 and start using them quickly. If your AirPods Pro 3 has a hardware issue or the battery drains too fast, keep it connected to a power source and try the reset process again. Hopefully, this works. Otherwise, you can buy only the case separately from Apple or contact Apple support via call, chat, or email. You can also visit the nearest Apple support center, book an appointment online, and get a free repair or replacement if it's under warranty. Sometimes, a hard reboot of the iPhone also fixes internal software glitches causing connection errors. Resetting network settings also helps in some cases. I hope you found this solution helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guide videos.